Hey guys, Garage Wars here once again. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix your blinker switch on a 2011 Explorer. It's the same for the 2009 all the way to the 2014. But it's very simple. Let me show you the issue that we're having. I have the car on, but no biggie. So the problem that we're having is that our blinker, see, it's broken, it's loose. See, it's so broken. So the solution for this, well, actually you can't really fix it because it's broken, but the good thing is the part is very cheap. So I bought this off the dealer. I think it was $43. I got it for 30 bucks because I have a commercial account. But you can buy it off the internet as well. I'll put the information in the description if you want to do that. And it's basically, hold on. It's basically this, which we're going to replace right now. Very easy, but we have to have the car on, or at least, well, it's not a key, so you have to press the button, but you have to be able to move your steering wheel so you can have it at this position and we can work with this angle. First step will be to take off this cover, which, as you can see, is kind of like already open a little bit, mine, but it's just clips that you have to kind of like pop open, and it's on both sides. See, mine is already messy, but just pop it up, and you can remove it, it stays there, but that's enough. But as you can see, it's just clips. And then the one in the bottom, I'm gonna check underneath, but we have to move this down as well. I'm gonna check what's holding it, and let me show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so this top, as I mentioned before, you move it up. For the bottom part, you come down here, and there's 3 screws, they're size 7. I already took one off. It's that one right there. So it's one right there, second one. And the third one is in here, I believe. Yes, it's in there. You can play with the steering by opening this and unlocking it and locking it. That gives you space for everything. But let's remove that. Our goal is to get to this little screw right there, which actually you don't really have to remove this, but it'll definitely help us. I don't want to break anything. So just see me do everything, and then you can choose if you want to or not. Watch the whole video. But let me go ahead and take those off and then show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I removed those 3 bolts at the bottom, and this cover came off. Remember to open this and pull your steering all the way out, and you can get that back on really easy. I use my ratchet, and I use an extension, definitely necessary. Now turn your steering this way, and this is what we're going to replace. Very easy. You're gonna need a TORX key, which is that weird star, and we're gonna remove this too for now and see how it goes. But at this point, you can turn off the car, and since we're working with electrical stuff, we should turn off the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the car, but turn the steering wheel like this so you can have this space and this angle, because we'll probably have to maybe take this one off and this one off, because I think this, the way I see it at the moment, I think this will have to come out first before this one comes out, but I may be wrong. Okay, so let me start with this 2 first, and then I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna tell you the size and everything in just a second. Okay guys, I just want to show you my setup real quick. I already removed one of them. I'm using this right here. It's a T10. I think that is not a T1000, right? I'll be back for us. But anyways, use the T10. I removed this top one right there, and now I'm gonna move on with this one. I just wanted to show you my setup. I haven't turned on the car just because it's really hot here in Houston, and I'm just gonna risk it. But let me take this off, and then this is sort of like a clip that we're going to remove, so let me show you that in just a second. Okay guys, so I removed those two bolts right there, and now we do have to remove this because this is locked in there. You can't take it off unless you take this off. But this is already loose. It's very easy. As you can see, and let me just show you what you're doing. As you can see, this right here is a clip, and then this up here is a clip. This thing right here, that little point, see right there, holding this. So what you have to do, your goal is to come in here with your flathead, just like this, and then turn. See, I just took off that clip, and at the same time pull to the side, and then come down here and do the same thing down here. I can't really show you, but just like that, unclip it, just like that. And then you're gonna have to pull hard because it is connected like a plug, so it does have like a little push, like a little pull back, because it clips in like automatically. So remove those 2 clips and then pull this back. I can't really do it and show at the same time, but with my both hands, With one hand, I'm gonna turn this clip and pull, and then turn this other clip and pull, and then pull back hard. There's no other screws or nothing like that. If I see anything, I'll let you know, but that's about it. Just those 2 clips, and then that's it. So let me do that, remove this, and then this will come out very easily. So here we go. Okay guys, so I removed it, very easy. It has 4 clips, as you can see. So it's not just 2 in the front, but the 2 in the back. But it's very easy once you do it with both of your hands. It just comes straight out. It connects right there. So now that it's out, you can put it on the side. So I'm gonna put it right there, and then we can work on this. So let me show you what you have to do here. Okay guys, so for this, it's very easy. There's actually nothing else holding it. Just get your flathead, and if you come down here, let me see if we can. Yeah, okay. If you come down here, you see this little gap? I'm just gonna come in and push. See how it comes out? And then same up here, just come up here to this little gap. There's literally nothing holding it. So that's already loose, as you can see, and it's way easier if you do it with both hands. But as you can see, it's already out, and then I should be able to just, yep, there we go. See, connects in the back. So it came right out. This is my old part. It feels broken or loose and stuff. It shouldn't be like that. So that's it. Now everything, to put everything back, is the same thing in reverse. I didn't turn off my car. It's still on, battery is still on and everything. Everything looks fine. If I have issues, I'll let you know. If I don't have nothing else in this video, then that means I didn't have any other issues for not disconnecting. But I'm gonna put everything back. I hope this helps. It's not a very common issue, but it happens. So hopefully this helped you guys, and you fixed it really quick, did it yourself. You don't have to, waste time or money somewhere else with this. You can do it yourself, buy the part, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.